Hey guys, we were working in the garden today and we're getting our beds prepped for what we're gonna plant today, well, this year. We have 4 beds that we have covered with galvanized metal and weighed down with wood. So in here we're gonna grow some tomatoes, and then in this bed next to that bed, this one down here, this is gonna be peppers, and then here. And then in this bed, we're gonna do beets and parsley. And then one more bed. In this last bed here is where we're gonna grow our melons, cucumbers, maybe a zucchini if we can convince Kayla to let us. And we have those covered to kill down any weeds that started growing so that we can plant in them. And that is the 4 beds we have covered today. We had like a crazy year last year, so we weren't like picking up all the runners from the strawberries and putting them back in the bed. So this entire area here is strawberries. So we're gonna have to close this area off and try and keep the strawberries in. But we got some strawberry flowers starting to grow. And yeah, the strawberries are doing really, really good. And then in this row here, next to the garden beds, behind the garden beds, I'm thinking about where, because it's covered by these tarps mostly. So it should be pretty well no weeds. So we're gonna grow some corn, beans, butternut squash, and see how that does in these rows. And it's like a 100-foot row, so that should go pretty well. And over on this half of the garden, we didn't do weeding because we had such a busy year, but we've got, this here is our rhubarb plants, and they're going to flower already. But these big leaves, if you look back here, you can see some of the red leaves. I don't know if you can see some of the red leaves actually. I'm trying to get this out of your way. And that is for making my favorite kind of pie, strawberry rhubarb pie. So we got, that's, rhubarb's doing really well. Then over in the spice area, the oregano is doing crazy good. And I think that's the hyssop. And then I don't know how the St. John's wort and all the other stuff is doing, but definitely doing good over there. And then Bunky's gonna be excited when she sees this. Over here, we have a ton of asparagus growing, and it's doing really good, and we should probably harvest it soon and eat it. But yeah, the garden is doing really well, and we should be able to plant some stuff in the new beds soon. So we're back in the greenhouse today. It's no longer rainy out, and it's pretty nice sunny day. We've added some, whoops, not expecting it. We added some new dirt to the greenhouse, and we're watering that now. And then we're gonna make some divots in the dirt and plant the seeds in here. There's a bee in here now. Oh dear. So hot in here, I hate greenhouse gases. Alrighty, time to dig the trenches.
Put it like, yeah. Does not look very trenchy.
Yeah. I'll be honest, I never learned how to use this.
Gorgeous.
Ah, it's still ants in here.
Oh, gross. It's touching you.
Cool. Most people in America measure using feet. I use hands.
You think you're funny?
I am funny.
I think hands are a legitimate measuring tool, though.
Yeah, it's used for horses.
On horses.
Still funny, though.
Not really, but okay.
How are you going to measure the horse using your feet? Biting.
Stop! There's a shovel. Use the
I
shovel.
don't know how to use the shovel.
Long ways.
I've tried using the shovel before. It doesn't like it.
Alright. You're so chill about being brutally attacked by ants.
Thank you.
It's admirable.
If not for the greenhouse gases, I would be cool as a cucumber. But
You can't call it greenhouse gases.
instead, I am hot as this tail. So hot in here.
You can't call it that. That's not what that is.
Yeah.
That's just greenhouse air.
And what is air made up of, Kayla?
Molecules.
Molecules of what?
Elements.
What elements?
Oxygen.
And oxygen is what?
An element.
We're walking in circles here. Okay, that's done. Oh dear.
Did you use up the whole
I
thing?
thought there were. Yeah. I put all of the broccoli rub in one row. I don't think I can dig them out.
Crisis averted.
Yep, I picked out the seeds and I put them in the other row. So we're good now, and I'm gonna do it the smart way this time. As I was instructed by the smart people. If you do not live with a smart person or are not a smart person, I highly recommend you find one because they're really helpful. Alright, that's the broccoli and the broccoli rub.
Good job.
Yay. I got some bunching onions here. The flavor king.
Those are cool.
They do. Very pleasant looking seeds.
Indeed.
There you go, mysterious person off camera.
It has got to be so hard to be you right now because I'm baking and I'm not even in the greenhouse.
Ooh,
Oh, those are cool.
These are the, oh, this is the vegetable ones.
Sick.
Different kinds of lettuce.
Letters?
Lettuce. Sorry, I'm just guessing.
I don't know what these say, but they look really pretty.
Yeah. I like the way the letters are shaped. With a bite me and that one's empty. Oh, I've heard of Johnny Appleseed. Get ready for Trie, kale, person. Replenish the kale. Randomly.
Wow, there's like no strategy to that whatsoever.
I was told to sprinkle them randomly.
Can you squat down?
Nope.
I can't catch what you're doing, and you.
Wow.